Hi everyone, today we'll see how to save the file to the Google Drive. For that we need to open the browser, and that we have to open it as drive.google.com. So it's asking me to go to Drive. I need to give my email address, so I'm giving my email address. Click on next. Now I have to give the password, so I give my password. Click next. I give. So here I am in the Google Drive. Now click on the new, click on file upload, and you'll see a dialog box that is open. Click on the file that we need to upload. So I am clicking on the file and click on the open. So on to the right side down, you will see the file status. So here we see the green tick mark on the right bottom side. So that means the file is uploaded. To make it sure whether it is uploaded or not, click on recent. You can see the file. This is the file that I uploaded. And this is how we can save the file to the Google Drive. Thank you very much.